What's so cool about manufacturing?
What is your name and title?
My name is Jeffrey Hogue. I'm president of T-Brew Sales, West Middlesex, Pennsylvania. I always tell a new employee that has no experience, if you give me the time, I'll treat you a trade that you can go on and to raise your family with, which is vitally important.
What's the best part of your job?
To be able to see a project come from the drawing table to the completely manufactured, some of the self-engineered stuff that we manufacture.
How many people work in the company?
We're pushing 60 people.
Do you have any advice for people looking forward to going to manufacturing?
Yeah, I think the best advice would be to look at the technologies that are out there, because as years have gone, as long as I've been in the industry, they're developing all kinds of new technology every year. You know, Mr. Campbell has started this company, you know, early on in the late 50s, and it's been a family-oriented company, and it's really you know, there's times where, you know, you're getting told what you got to get done, but I really enjoy all my coworkers.
Position in your company?
My name is Christopher Stewart, and I'm a project manager, job estimator.
What's the best part of your job?
Best part of my job is seeing something that you see on a piece of paper go out on a big semi truck going to a customer. You get to see the finished product. That's the best job.